Yo, it's your boy Colin, aka Colin Trades CSP, back with you with another video. Today's a new style video. Today we're going to be talking about cash secured puts. I believe as of right now in the current market, I believe cash secured puts are king. And I believe this is probably going to be the best opportunity when it comes to buying stocks that you want at the prices that you want. And this strategy would be the best opportunity and the best strategy when it comes to taking positions with stocks that you like. So I'm going to basically explain what cash secured puts are and then give you a prime example of one of the stocks I'll be looking at taking or setting up cash secured puts for a potential long-term play, as I believe this company is a very good company to own long-term. All right, so let's get to the video. If you guys have questions or concerns, please leave a comment below. I'm more than welcome to answer. Or if you have any tickers you want me to look at when it comes to selling cash secured puts, I'm more than welcome to assist on that as well. So let's get to the video. I hope you guys enjoy. So what are cash secured puts? It's basically agreeing to buy a stock at a certain price if it drops to the requested level that you've selected. So you basically get paid to wait for the stock to hit the strike price that you want to sell at. What you need is the cash as collateral. So the amount of money needed to buy the stock at the price you want. For example, let's say you wanted to buy a stock like SoFi, the stock that I'll be talking about in this video. And you want to sell an $18 strike price, you will most likely need to have $1,800 to buy or sell the cash secured put at the 18 strike price. Another one like ONDS, if you wish to sell a $9 strike price, you will need $900 as collateral to buy that price. But what's so good about this strategy in the current market? So as of right now, with the market coming down these past couple weeks, with stock prices coming below, basically becoming valuable again under fair value, gives opportunity to sell these cash secured puts at support levels and collect the premium until basically the price hits your strike price, which then you getting assigned. So it pays to wait to own these stocks and sell. When to sell, the best time to sell would be when the market is on its probably first to second day, as it is the most volatile and the premiums are at its highest. If you do not want to get assigned, then I always recommend selling cash secured puts at support levels. So that is something that I'll show you on the charts and give you a little bit better understanding on how much money you can make with the collateral that you make as well. So first, let's basically, I'm going to show you the charts of SoFi. As you can see, SoFi was range bounding the top and now has broken down since earnings. So this is a good standpoint to start selling cash secured puts, as we're currently at this support line. And with 17 being the next support line, I'll be looking to sell $17 cash secured puts and collecting the premium while I wait for it to hit this price target. And pulling up the option chain, one thing I like to do is go a month out from the option chain, giving my options some room to breathe and allow the stock to hit my price. Because if the strike does get under $17 and I get filled and assigned at $17, SoFi overall is a great company to own long term. So I do believe it will recover over time. And with the current analysts analyzing this stock to be at $32-ish, that does give almost 100% return over the next coming years. So looking at a month out, on March 20th option chain, and then going to the put side, Of course, one thing to note also too is when you're trying to sell cash secured puts or even covered calls, which I'll show in another video, make sure to always look at the bid side, as the bid is the seller and the ask is the buyer. So if I'm looking to sell, let's say $17 cash secured puts, looking at the bid side is roughly around $50. So what this is telling me is that I will, for $17 strike price, which you also look at is 100 shares, which is $1,700. I would need to have $1,700 in cash in my portfolio to sell cash secured, a $17 cash secured put, and I will be able to collect $50 in premium, which is almost equivalent to roughly 3%, I believe. Let me pull up my calculator. 1,703 is roughly around 3% exactly. Yep, so that's a pretty decent size position. What's it called? In percentage that you'll be making, that's almost a 36% annualized return. So 3% on this is pretty well while the market is pulling back. So that's something I'll be taking a look at as the market continues. And like I said before, 17 on SoFi is an absolute steal, as it shouldn't be trading at these current levels, with the overall broader market basically showing to the downside. That is the reasoning allowing this stock to even trade at these levels. So it's just an opportunity to buy. So when it comes to like cash secured puts in these positions, this is something that you got to take advantage of as you're entering stocks at, that you like and you want to own at the price you want, and just collecting premium as you wait for the price to hit your price target. So, this is basically, yes, I am new to making these type of videos, but I'm very knowledgeable and understanding of how these strategies work. I'll be showing videos when it comes to the wheel strategy, selling covered calls. Once I get assigned on these SoFi positions, then I will definitely show a wheel strategy, or basically flipping this to a covered call to then collect more premium as I wait for the stock to hit my price target to the upside. So I hope you enjoyed this small little video and explaining when it comes to what is a cash secured puts. I'll be making more videos throughout the years to explain it slightly better with newer stocks, newer opportunities that arise. But as of right now, this is the opportunity, what I'm looking at, the current stock I'm looking at, and the position I'm willing to take because of the company that I'm willing to invest in. So with that, if you have questions or concerns, again, leave a comment in the comment box, like and subscribe, and hit the bell notification for other videos that I will be making. And then, like I said before, this is a group, a heritage trading group. If you have questions or concerns and I'm unable to answer, those guys will be able to answer for you and basically assist with anything that I'm unable to assist with. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys have a good trading week, and let's get this money. All right, bye-bye.